What up, superstars? It's your girl, Miss Bollywood, and welcome back to my channel. Real talks, it's been a long flipping minute since I checked in with you guys. So for my returning subscribers, I want to give a massive shout out and like digital dabs. For those of you who are like super freshly new here, I also want to give, you know, lots of hugs and kisses. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, because like so much interesting situations are popping right here on my channel. Alright, so I'm just gonna get right into it. A couple days ago I went to the mall and I was just wandering through stores, and when I walked into this store I realized, you know what, I have a lot of favorite things that I share with you all, and I don't really make videos of me unboxing it or doing a haul. So I was like, you know what, why not make it a first? And that's exactly what I decided to do. Let's talk about Yankee candles. So I really liked the overall setup of the store. Right now they have, you know, right in the front, different colors like a purple and mauves and grays, just different array of fall colors like greens and reds, so it's very attractive. And I walked in. Now, one thing I do want to say is when you guys are purchasing candles is to look into the brand, but also do some research. There are candles out there that are not good for you because they're very strong or they're toxic when you inhale. It can cause inflammation and trouble for you to breathe, nausea, dizziness, so just be very cautious and just do some browsing and shopping around. I will say this, they do have some items, you know, summer ones that, because it's going out of season, it is on sale. Currently, I don't think they have a website where it ships within Canada. You will have to order through the US and pay for shipping and all that stuff. So if you do have a Yankee candle nearby, it's just going in person. Right now, the sale that they have is like 2 for $42, 1 for $35, and they're like big candles. Apparently, they're supposed to last about 35 to 40 hours, maybe more if you take care of it. But that is a lot pricey for a candle itself. So I usually go for the samplers just to try it out to see if I like a specific smell and I want to invest in that candle. Here we go. Okay, so there's some flyers in here and a coupon, buy one get one free. Wow, they gave me way too many flyers, like 4 of them. And that's the best thing about the samplers, is they apparently are supposed to last 10 to 15 hours. They're not very big. So this is the size of them. I'll put it on my palm. Okay, so you can even go to the dollar store, grab yourself, you know, a candle holder and just place it in there. So it's as simple as that.
Autumn Leaves is not that bad, actually. I thought it would be much stronger than it is, but it is so subtle with a little hint of sweetness. That pine needle scent comes through, complementing with the birch leaf. I definitely recommend you guys try it out this fall season. What can I say about A Calm and Quiet Place? It speaks for itself. First off, I love the color of the candle. It's so beautiful. The jasmine definitely sticks out along with the sandalwood, and that amber musk gives it that warmth. It's so soothing. Definitely my go-to candle for this fall season while I read me some books. I've been told Autumn Wreath is a popular candle for customers during the fall season. They tend to stock up on it. There's that spicy warmth of autumn leaves present, cinnamon and clove and nutmeg intertwined. It's a little woodsy, and that hint of vanilla just finishes it off perfectly. With Enchanted Moon, I'd like to paint a little picture. It's as if there's a full moon outside on a chilly fall night. You're out on the terrace, sitting at a table with a couple of friends, sipping on a glass of wine, overlooking a forest, and out in the distance there's a campfire burning, and that wood is creating this musky scent up in the air. There's a great ambiance happening, a little bit of a fruity scent coming through. I'd recommend this candle for the months of September to end of October. There's just something so magical and dark about it all at the same time. Tranquil Mist reminds me of an aromatherapy lotion or oil I've used in the past. It acts as a relaxant and a great de-stressor. The smell is a blend of freshness, like cotton or linen. The lavender definitely shines through. The sandalwood is present, and there's a hint of muskiness. It can act as, an air freshener for any of your rooms, such as your kitchen, washroom, living area, when you're entertaining your guests. It is perfect for everyday use. I 100% recommend it. Apple pumpkin reminds me more than anything of a pumpkin spice beverage, whether it's a latte or a tea. The trio of cinnamon, clove, nutmeg, they're so powerful. They come right through. There is a slight orange zestiness that is also there. It's great. It's a great combination. And that hint of vanilla right at the end is a perfect blend. I recommend this as keeping it as your fall favorite on rotation. It works great during Thanksgiving, Halloween, and straight up right into the Christmas holiday season. It is great. So Autumn Pearl is the last candle that I'm going to review, and just a quick heads up, these samplers retail at $1. Right now they have a deal, buy 11, get the 12th one for free. So I recommend doing that before purchasing the more expensive, larger versions of them. There is nothing quite special about Autumn Pearl. They are similar to A Calm and Quiet Place and Tranquil Mist, but it does give me at the end a little dizzy feeling. There is a freshness and muskiness to it. There's lavender coming through, a little bit of vanilla, but other than that, this is one candle that I definitely would not recommend.
If you want to see more hauls or unboxing videos, let me know, hit me up in the comment section. And before I check out, some of you have been asking me what my book of the month is for August. And before I unveil that for you, I just wanted to say that I am a firm supporter of Canadian artists, whether it's writers, actors, singers, dancers, YouTubers, everything in between. It makes me so proud that they are representing us out in the world. And so it's Linwood Barclay, Parting Shot. I'm a huge fan of his work because I'm really into, crime and thriller and mystery. And what I love about his work is that the chapters, it is slightly on the shorter end, but it's a great read when you're on the train or taking any type of, public transit. And also at the end of every chapter, it's like a cliffhanger, so you're on edge wondering what happens next and you really don't want to put the book down. I really enjoyed a 3-part series he wrote. There's some of it in Parting Shot, but it's based off of this town called Promise Falls, and lots of crazy-ish happens there. So if you're looking for, a great summer or fall read, curled up in a blanket, definitely check it out. With that said, thank you so much for, being here with me and spending some quality time. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Much love from me to you, Miss Bollywood.